Hello, Dave.
How are we going, Glenn?
Good. Tell me a bit about the boat.
Oh, lovely. Blondie's 63 feet by 7.5 metres, which is about 19.5 metres by 7.1 metres wide. It's a beautiful boat. It's a 300 horsepower Detroit diesel. And my favourite thing, Glenn, has got to be this: the remote control. Tight spots is not a problem. Put this around your neck, shift it into gear. Thumb drives, easy to control, as you can see. And it's an absolute dream.
So tell me some of the things. She's got some accommodation.
Yeah, accommodation's good. We've got 4 queen size beds and we've got 4 single beds. Great for the grandchildren. Big freezer full of ice cream. The kids love it. Great day and very, very calm. Going down to Newcastle and back up the Hunter River. It's a wonderful boat, and it's just a great. We've got air conditioning, of course, don't forget that. Plenty of generating power, 400 amp hours of battery, and she's a delight.
Even a water maker.
Oh, water maker, well said. Get our fresh water, Glenn. Don't forget the big shower fits 2 people. Plenty of hot water. It's a Renai gas system. You've got 2 pizza ovens. One's actually a bakehouse. Great for the pizzas. You'd love it.